Hi friends, here is another problem of arithmetic progression. The question is related to the nth term of the arithmetic progression, right? Arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Let me read the question here. Fill in the blanks in the following table, right? We have to fill up these spaces, right? These spaces given that A is the first term and D is the common difference and AN the nth term of an AP. We have to find out AN, that is nth term of the AP, right? And here is the nth, n is given over here, D is given here, and A is given here. So before that, we recently learned the nth term, right? The formula of the nth term, that is AN, is A plus n minus 1 times the common difference, right? The nth term is the first term plus n minus the nth term means suppose seventh term means 7 minus 1, right? And it's multiplied the product of the common difference, right? So this is the formula of the nth term that we have to apply in this all problems, right? So based on the problem we have to do all these problems, right? So based on the formula we have to do these all kinds of problems. These all we have to solve. So let me do first one here, 1, right? Doing 1, I'm just applying this formula in the formula. I'm just applying these numbers, right? Using these numbers in the formula. The AN is A plus n minus 1 times D, right? Or I can simply say AN we have to find out here. So AN is equals to A. So A is the first term, that is given here 7, right? Plus n minus 1. So n is also given here, that is 8th. So it is 8th term, right? So n is the 8. A8 we have to find out. A8 is the 7 plus n minus 1, right? So 8 minus 1 times the common difference, that is 3, right? So that is 3. Again 7 plus 8 minus 1, that is again 7 times 3, or 7 3s are 21, right? Or 7 plus 21, that is 28. So this value is 28, right? Let me write with the dark blue color, right? The value is 28. We got the 8th term, means the 8th term is equals to the 28, right? Now let me find out the another value. Okay, so another value is means the another problem is here the first term we have got, right? And the n also we have got, and the nth term also we have got. We have to find out the common difference. Again, I'm not going to do anything any things, right? I'm just using this formula, that is AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 times D, right? So AN we have got, that is 0, right? That is 0. A we have got, that is negative 18, right? Plus and we have got, that is 10, right? So 10 minus 1, right? And we have to find out the common difference. So I don't know the common difference, that's why I'm writing the D. Okay, so I'm just solving this one. This is 0, right? Minus 18 again, right? Plus 10 minus 1, that is 90, right? Or since it is 18 negative, right? So it will, let me take this negative on this side, right? So it will be plus 18 equals to 90. Therefore 18 times 19 equals to D, right? So since the D is multiplying here, it will be dividing over here. So 9 2s are, right? So the value of D is equals to 2. So I can now put the value of here, it's 2, right? The value is 2. You might not be watching properly. So the value is 2 now, right? The common difference we got is the 2, right? So let me do another problem. In the third problem, what we have got, we don't know the value of A, right? We know the D and the nth term, n and the nth term. So again, I'm not doing anything, right? I'm just going to put the value, going to put the value in the formula, that is AN equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. So again, let me just put all the information given. See, there are the 1 2 3 4 in a formula. There are 4 things: nth term, first term, n, and the D. If you know the 3 things, you can easily find out any of them, right? You just need 3 things to found the 4th one. So here we have got the 3 things, 1 2 and 3. So easily we can find out this. So simply AN is minus 5, right? First term we don't know, right? Again, and we know that is 18. Again, minus 1 times the common difference, right? So common difference is here negative 3, right? I'm just solving this. Minus 5 equals to a plus 18 minus 1, that is 17 times minus 3, or minus 5 is equals to a, and 17 3s are 51, right? So plus minus minus, so this 51 will go this side, therefore minus 5 plus 51 equals to a, therefore a is equals to now 51 minus 5, right? That is 46, right? So the value of a we got here now, right? So here is 46, right? So we got the value of 46. So the first term was 46, right? Now let me do the fourth one. In fourth one, I think I have to do it here, right? In fourth one, again, what we have got, let me change the color, it will be better, right? Okay, so again in fourth problem I'm doing the same thing. The an is, the nth term is equals to the first term and n minus 1 times the common difference, right? So here we have to find out the n, we need to find out the value of n, right? So an is given, right? An term is given, that is 3.6, right? 3.6, right? Is equals to, right, is equals to a, right? So a is again 18.9, right? And the n is here, we don't know, right? N minus 1, but we know the value of common difference, that is 2.5. It's time. Okay, here is the multiplication. So again here is 3.6 minus 18.9 minus 18.9 plus this is 2.5, so it's 2.5 n minus 2.5, right? So leaving this 2.5 over here, I'm taking out everything, the numerical parts, into left side, or I can say 2.5 I'm keeping in the right side and taking all, this is just I'm taking this side and this all goes this side, right? So it is 3.6, since it is minus here, so when it will go this side it will be plus 2.5, and this is again minus, so it will be plus 2.5, 18.9, right? And this is 2.5 n. Okay, so the value of n is this all, right? 3.6, 2.5 and 18.9 divided by 2.5, right? Because 2.5 is dividing here, so it will multiply. So now let's add this 36, 25 and 18.9. so I'm doing here 3.6, right, 2.5 and 18.9, right? So if I will add these all, it will be 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 is 0, carry over 2, right? So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, and 7 plus 8 15, so 15 5, carry over again 1, so 1 plus 2 25, so altogether it is 25, right? So 25, it's 2.5, it's 25. Again to cut this I'm multiplying by 10 and 10, so I will get it is 250, no, I'm doing here, okay, 250 divided by 25, so simply 25 10s are 250, so I got the value of n is 10. So the value of n is 10, right? This is 10. Okay, now the last one I'm doing, or I think should I leave you for yourself? Okay, I'm doing this. Okay, v, right? The fourth, here we have got the first term and the common difference and the n, and we have to now find out the nth term, right? Again, so I'm going to write the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 times the common difference, right? So let me put all the values a, and we need to find out the first term is a, that is 3.5, right? And the common difference is 0, so n is 105. Okay, just wait, 105, right? So 105 minus 1, and the common difference is 0, right? See here, the common difference is 0, so I can directly write an equals to 3.5, right? Because whatever, whenever 0 multiply anything, it will be 0, of course. So I'm not writing this plus 0, I'm just writing this 3.5. okay, so it will be 3.5, so we got the value 3.5, right? So like this, we have to solve this kinds of problem. It's easy, right? Simply we need to be best right? We need to be best. We have to always and every time remember this formula, the nth term formula, right? This is the right use of nth term formula. In the next video we'll be doing a bit complex problems of this nth terms, right? We'll be meeting in the next video, right? Bye bye.